assembly of the R.L.Edge Hub, which is this anti-back pedal, just like we called it back in the day by ACS, and it's a 48 spoke wheel, and there we go. So we've got the sprocket there, and it's held in place by a snap ring, which you gotta set loose. I'm using a screwdriver here to help me to do it, and I'm just like doing some applying some force to take it out. It's not that hard, as you can see. Then you just can easily remove the sprocket. It's a 16 teeth sprocket Santur, and then we just have to remove the shield sprocket, which is quite easy to do. I've already disassembled this and cleaned it thoroughly, and then we just proceed to take apart the rest of it. Let me show you the wheel around just a little bit. So now there's a shield there, but first I'm gonna remove this gem nut, and then there's a lock washer, and then the cone. You gotta start by removing this part first because of the way it's all assembled. So first you gotta start with this non-drive side, and then you can see how the cone is made and the wear it has, and the bearings and the race in the hub. So we take off the shield, and then there's 9 of them. Carefully, not losing anyone, we just remove them, save them somewhere. Okay, so now you can see you can't remove the axle, even though there's no cone on the other side. So to continue, we remove the gem nut. Okay, now to do that I used these wrenches, 5/8 and 11/16, but for the cone on the drive side you would need a 16mm probably, and the 15 for the other cone, but the ones I used worked just fine. Now I'm just taking away that shield, removing it carefully not to bend it. There you go. And now there's a lock washer there in between the gem nut and the cone. So now I'm taking the gem nut out. There you go. The washer is coming out first, and then the block washer, this cone, the drive cone, which is a little bigger than the other one, 1 millimeter. Now we take those bearings off and you still can't remove the axle. It's all held in place by that threaded retainer, which is screwed clockwise into the hub. So to take it off, you need to unscrew it regularly counterclockwise, and then the unit will come out. There you go. That's what's inside of that. You can see the threaded side of the hub. The other side. Beautiful hub.